G here from OG Creations. I'm back. So this December was a complete and total show. A mind. I just wanted a fun project and realized that within the last year starting OG and creating tie-dye for thousands of customers, I've never made anything for my own little ones. I ordered black cotton pet hoodies through Amazon, tied them up using the Geode technique, and soaked them overnight in a 10:1 ratio of water to bleach solution. I'll link a previous video that shows these steps. I rinsed then soaked the hoodies in soda ash and began to throw on the color using Dharma fiber reactive dyes. The left hoodie will be Turquoise, Teal blue, and Robin's egg blue, and the right hoodie will be Plum, Magenta Galactica, and Peony. I bag each up and let them rest for 24 hours. After rinsing out the hoodies with cold water until most of the dye is gone, I do 2 rinse cycles with cold water in the washing machine and then 1 cycle of hot water, adding in Dreyer's detergent. Now dried, ironed, and completed. They turned out so bright and fun, just what I needed to take my mind off the that was 2021. I think Ashan and Celie are gonna love them. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there are any items that you would like to see created next.